Hello developers, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I would like to thank for your love and support on my previous video, which was related to Naukri.com profile review and how you can optimize your Naukri profile. So this video will be all about LinkedIn profile optimization. So in this video, I am going to show you 15 most effective tips which can help you to optimize your LinkedIn profile and you can get maximum number of calls. And also I'm going to share my LinkedIn profile, how I have optimized each and everything very effectively. And also I'm going to show you live proof how many number of calls I used to get in daily basis from the recruiter, even I haven't applied into their career website. So let's get started. One by one I will cover each and everything. Stay tuned till the end, then you will get to know how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile. And out of 15 tips, the few tips will be related to your search engine optimization for your profile. If you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Prakash Raj. I am working as a software developer at SAP Labs India. I used to create videos on following topics: interview preparation, training, review, career guide, coding, system design, etc. And I also provide interview and placement training, resume writing. For more details, you can ping me on my LinkedIn profile, link in the description below. Let me show you how many like job offers I have received from different recruiters. So in the chat, if I share my chat, so here you can see this is the on October 1. This recruiter has reached out to me on October 1. So here you can see this job opening is from JP Morgan. That is on October 1. If go again next, so that is again on October 1 itself. So this job offer she has offered me like from Capgemini. So you can see there is a lot of recruiter activity which I have received in past few weeks. So this is for like again freelancing job opportunity up to $10 per hour. Again same way there is again next one, another one, recruiter has reached out to me with this job opportunity. And again next, again like on September 19th, again there is job openings on like at Capgemini, right? So here you can see multiple recruiters has been reached out to me with a different job opportunity, right? So how it possible, right? How it can be possible. So if you are maintaining your profile in a like a best way, right? If you are filling all the details with all the like whenever like a recruiter will search something, if your profile has the same skill set, definitely that will match with the recruiter search like request, right? And then a recruiter will message you, and recruiter will try to reach out to you with a job opportunity. Tip number one is a profile picture. So while uploading the profile picture, four major things you have to keep in mind. First is quality of the photo. So the visibility of your photo should be the very clear, so you can upload like HD quality at least, so that your photo visibility will be the good. Next thing is to your profile background should be the good enough. So a third point is your picture should be the recent one, and it should not be the AI generated, because right now a lot of people they using AI generated image. But I would suggest better to use your real picture with the good quality. Then fourth is your profile face visibility, your profile picture face visibility. Whatever picture you have uploaded, make sure 70% of that photo your face is is coming, right? So this is a very small circle, but still I can see the face, right? So your face visibility is somewhere even more than 70%. So make sure whatever the profile picture you have uploaded, it should like there should be clear visibility of your face. So don't worry if your background photo background is not good enough. You can use this free website and just go here. And here you can upload any image of yours where you want to remove your background. Let me take this image. Okay, just for example I'm taking this image, and here I will. So here you can see, let me I'm just want to replace the background with some background image. So here you can see it has removed the background with this image. So again you can download it, and you can basically put this image on your profile picture. Next is your banner image. So banner image you can create using a very well-known website, that is Canva. So create your banner in easy way. You can use this canva.com. Just hit enter and it will open this one, and here you can see there is a lot of like default theme banner. You can use anyone. Let's use this one. So if you customize this banner, if you go inside this. Okay, so here you can put like whatever you want, basically as per your domain knowledge. Basically, while creating this banner, you have to keep in mind the 2 to 3 points here. first show your expertise. So along with your full-time work, what all services you are providing, those things you can highlight. If you consider my case, here you can see I'm along with my full-time job, I'm also preparing videos or giving the interviews interview preparation training and placement training, right, along with the mock interview like tips and tricks. So something like this you can mention in your banner here, and then you can go and here you can go download here. So you can put it on download. This is PNG format. This is looks good, and just do it. So this is a basically premium image. That is why it is not allowing to download me. But similarly, you can use some free version, which is basically not the premium one. So wherever this icon is there, right, that is the premium one. So this one you can use it. So this is again paid. This is not paid one. So you go here and edit this as per your requirement and your basically expertise in your domain area, and then just click here, and you can see here now it will download. So now you can see it is downloading, right? So something like this, you can do it. Tip number three, custom profile URL. Custom profile URL always help you to boost your profile to reach to the higher rank whenever recruiter will search for the related profile. So for that, what you have to do, you have to already in my profile, if you have seen already name is there, name, and then some number is coming. But still, if you want to customize it, you can click on it, and then so once you comment this page, click here, click here, edit your custom URL, click on this, and then here you can put it some number, and better I would suggest put your name along with some number, so that URL will be available for you. So here I can give 1 1 and something like this, and if you will save it, so it is already taken, so you can put something like this 1 1 paper. Now you can see your name and along with some number. Tip number 4. Tip number 4 is all about headlines. So how you can give provide your headlines. So here you can see in my profile, I have mentioned SD2 at SAP Ariba along with BITS Pilani from where I did my AmTech, and then career guide and interview preparation. This is a area of interest where I used to do some sort of work. I used to prepare some video, right? So here you have to three things, 3 points you have to keep in mind. So first is your job title plus expertise. So here you can see my job title plus expertise, or the area of interest that I have added here. And then second is emphasize your unique value. So if you see unique for me, my unique value is like the full time the job which I'm doing, along with which I'm interested in is a career guide and interview preparation tips. So if you open it, so here it is giving the complete which I have mentioned, career guide and interview preparation mentor. So something like that you can mention. Okay. Then third thing is include key skills and achievement. So here let's say you have participated in some hackathons, right, and you have got some rank. So something like that you can give it. If you have given some IIT exam, you have like if you have a good score, so something like that you can give all India rank, something like 400, 5,000, 10,000, something like that, right? So that will be like very useful while once your profile appear into the recruiter search feed, right? Once they will come to your profile, then these are the eye-catching like tagline which you I can say. So something like that you have to mention. So you can take this as an example.